Hello students, today the reaction is aldol condensation. So see the definition. Condensation of two molecules of aldehydes in presence of dilute NaOH. NaOH means sodium hydroxide to give beta hydroxyaldehyde or aldol. Aldehyde. In this aldol condensation, main point is aldehyde contains at least one alpha hydrogen atom. At least one alpha hydrogen atom. This is main rule, that is one alpha hydrogen atom. So the reaction is two molecules of acetaldehyde in presence of a dilute NaOH to give beta hydroxybutanol. Here the functional group is CHO, that is alpha beta. Beta hydroxy. Hydroxy means OH. Beta hydroxybutanol. Butanol means 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbons. So the compound name is beta hydroxybutanol. On further heating, loss of water molecule OH and hydrogen water molecule, that is CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. The name of this compound is functional group alpha beta. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Unsaturated means alternative double bonds. Now see the mechanism. CH3 CHO means acetaldehyde. Here CH3, here one hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen. This is the resonance stabilized reaction, that is carbanion. And this compound, that is CH2 minus C double bond OH, react with another molecule of acetaldehyde here C double bond O, C double bond O group, and oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge, and the negative charge is towards to positively charged carbon atom. So the compound is CH3 bond C O minus, and this H is written as, and remaining CH2 C double bond O H. O minus. So addition of H plus. So the final product is CH3 CH OH CH2 CHO. This is the final product of aldol condensation, that is beta hydroxy butanol. Sorry, alpha kadu, beta hydroxy butanol.